Right guys, we're back and it's the next morning. So Steve is showering, I think Sam showered. I'm just kind of getting up and I'll shower after. And today we're doing the Golden Circle and hopefully the Secret Lagoon, because it's just a lot cheaper than the Blue Lagoon, so fuck that. But yeah, today is just kind of gonna try see as much cool shit as we can. So I don't know how much I'll have the camera out actually vlogging, but hopefully I'll get at least some like cool pans of shit. But I think there's like some waterfalls, geysers, everything. We'll see what happens anyway. It's a lot of driving, but it should be a good day. Still starstruck as fuck over meeting Thor. Like, it's not right, but fuck. But yeah, I didn't really recap yesterday, I don't think. But like, Iceland is a sick place. The weather's all over the place. It rained, hailed, snowed. It was windy as fuck. It was still really nice though. It's expensive as fuck, except we did find this one supermarket where we could just get like bread and noodles, pasta, we got some mince, some sausage, shit like that, like normal enough price. So there's one supermarket we found and that's actually where we met Thor. And then, what was the other thing? It's just beautiful, it is really beautiful, but we'll see a lot more of it today.
Half the roads in the country.
Until June.
Really? Yeah.
Day 2 is a go. It's raining, but at least there's no snow. €4 for a bit of pepperoni. Gotta be doing.
Smell? She was annoying.
There's a lot of cross-country.
Remember I was saying to you, if you like the green.
Right guys, so today is just all about skiing shit, and you can see the weather is terrible. I really hope it clears up so I can fly this drone. I'm trying to export everything onto the Mac right now, day 1, to start doing some editing while we're driving, and nothing is uploading, and I'm like, what if I've just lost a full day? So I'm just gonna make sure I do everything on the camera, because I 100% know this is gonna upload, but fingers crossed we get that footage back. But I'm about to put my jumper back on and we're gonna go outside. You won't be able to see anything yet because it's really rainy, but there's a nice looking kind of lakey thing, I think. Let's go, people. Fuck. The camera gives zero justice, but like it's actually fucking beautiful.
Blue.
Right, so we ended up going a little bit further. I left the camera back. I'll make sure I bring it from now on, but we kind of, yeah, we nearly sank. Like our foot went like 1.5 to 2 foot deep into the fucking snow, like straight down into water, but it was fun. Boys, so we've been in the car about 2.5 minutes, and there's another side stop. Oh fuck! Oh, these views could be a mad thing.
The water as well.
Yet again, so boys, see what's happening. It's a slippery boy again, anyway. Oh. There's nice stuff over there. So we found this place. It's actually like, there's loads of cars here, so we have no idea what's going on. We don't want to pay for parking, so Sam's just driving around and we're just gonna like, there's loads of people over there, so we want to have a look. All these silly gooners who probably pay for parking, like, we're smart gooners. Fucking cold. We're like, it's nice. We said fuck it, we're just gonna go on the quick walk and see what's down here. We're in no rush anyway, we're out here for the day. Want to see what we can see, want to see everything. Pretty lit. I think we're really at like the Golden Circle, yeah, and we've already stopped 3 times. What time is it now? It's probably like 11:15ish?
It is
25 past 11. And like, I don't know, like, we're going to be out till about 8. Everyone in these buses are the gooner. You pay to do what we just did on our own time for free. Absolute ging-gongs. Like, look, it may be rainy and my hand gonna fall off, but it's a fucking nice place. Like, we are soaked. Oh, I fixed iMovie, thank fuck.
Now we wait for a while. The people, Jack.
Right, I edited the video. You recorded me editing the video.
Will this make the video?
Ah, that makes me.
You make the
Oh man, that's confusing. Boys are checking the car for damages. There's a heap of potholes, and I'm just getting the drone ready. We're at the Geysir, whatever the fuck they're called. I still don't know how to pronounce them, but I think we're at the first one. So we have the drone ready. It stopped raining. I hope it stays away so we can get some shots. We'll find out now. Nothing we can do about it. It's out of our control. So I'm just going to enjoy it either way. Boom. We here. Is it a geyser or a geyser? What is it?
Geyser.
Oh, it's a geyser.
It is a geyser.
It's a geyser, but it's called Geysir. Oh, fuck. That accidental backdrop, like, I just went to record Sam, and it's just that, like. So, like, this water's meant to be real hot, like, you can kind of see the steam coming off it.
Can't confirm
Is hot, is it?
how warm.
You just go that. I put my feet in that if it's warm. I already have wet feet.
It's not roasted. Oh, that's nice.
It's a nice temp. It's warmer than the jacuzzi, like.
Yeah.
Warmer than the jacuzzi. It actually smells like egg mayonnaise. That's what it sounds like.
Then there is a bit of
Really?
roasty.
If you go deep, like. First flight done. It gathered quite a bit of attention, but like there are some sick shots of that mountain. We got the geysers from above. It's pretty lit.
Geyser time.
I have to put my arm out so far to get this in shot. So, where are we, Steve?
Geyser in Gullfoss, Iceland.
Yeah, this is your camera. It's a bit cold, but it's nice. And yeah, it's cool.
Snowy balls.
Next, snowy ball.
Are you leaving me something for later? And the boys, and we back. See this big boy here? This is the big boy that shoots the water up in the air.
I was just gonna say,
That was every 10 minutes or so.
It was.
We wait for the next one. It just fucking went again. Like 10 seconds later. It's meant to be every like 10 minutes. We missed 3 so far. Oh, a double do for me.
Brucey bonus, Jack.
No way, man. That's a mad thing. Right, so.
Good notes.
Oh, I keep shitting on, but it's just a beautiful place. Spot the difference? We just spoke with some other drone users.
Good man, Jack.
I know, you see that?
Good guy, Jack.
I'm helping the people. Just didn't know how to point the gimbal downwards, and I just said, you give a play with the old remote and you're sorted.
You give her a gimbal in fact.
You give her a gimbal, like. We're looking for a toilet, but we found a shop that has a tractor, hats, and nice dresses in it. You know yourself. We're back to the car. We don't like spending money, so we're gonna make sandwiches, and then we'll head on again. Just wait 2 seconds. We just came to the next bit, which is like some lit waterfall, and there's a fucking sign that says we can't fly drones. Like, I don't think I've ever felt disappointment like this. We'll see what we can do with the camera. So guys, I may not be able to use my drone and get some sick drone shit. If you just wait 2 seconds, I'm going to turn this camera around. Jesus. Jesus. That is absolutely massive. Ah, lads.
Oh, Daddy, that was so far.
we pretty much just going on 4:30. I have most of the first vlog basic edited here. Need some more music and stuff behind it, but most of it done. We just finished flying the drone for ages. We have a decent bit of drone footage. It's nearly emptied 3 batteries. It'll probably translate to about 30 seconds of footage, but you'll have probably seen all that by now anyway. And now we're off to, what are they again? Oh, the secret lagoon. So like the hot stuff. The hot stuff things. We're going to them. Boys, we've been... That's what I have to do. We've an hour and a half to kill before we get to go to the secret lagoon.
Get some food.
So we're gonna get some food, both for now and for tonight. Oh, you looking good, chap.
Wow.
The situation, guys, right? So we've a bit of snow, yeah, and a bit of time to kill. And there's a basketball court. So what we do is we have a game of horse, and whoever loses has to jump into the snow. Yeah? We do that, alright, but we'll play pig instead just so it's quicker, right? Alright. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we're gonna let Steve go first just because I'm feeling like a nice mate. We're going for a 3-pointer. First shot of the day.
It's just gonna smash off the backboard though.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's, I don't know, like this is gonna be tough. I'll tell you what we'll do, just so that it doesn't take forever. We'll judge together whose shot was like the least shit if they're both kinda good.
Oh, yes. It's gotta be a bit of snow cone. It's gotta be a decent handful now, Jack.
First shot of the day and you made a banger, like I'm gonna be shit.
Oh! I think that's my point, is it?
You fucking on, yeah, I'm on P. Alright, shot number 2. A snow shot. Oh, it was not the best shot.
Oh! Fairness though, fairness, you didn't even get, yours had no chance.
Wants to go, the fucking towering inferno. Bang! Yes!
Okay, so Jack, this is an interview. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling Gucci.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Is he going shot or is he going dunk?
The shoelace.
He's going shot.
Behind the shoelace.
He's going shot. Okay.
Oh! Fucking ball. Go on.
Oh, that was terrible.
Oh, I definitely won that one. I won that one. We're both gonna take an eye for that one. So, next point loses. We're going for a half-court shot to see who wins. So, whoever gets the closest, they win. The loser has to jump into that shit.
Poor Jack taking the shot, will you?
No, we do one more. I'd like to thank my mum, Sam, not Fat Steve, and Laura. Let's go. You gotta jump in.
Where's the best point?
Wait, what is it? Half
Yeah. Right, let's go. Oh fuck. We just got to the secret lagoon. We're in the change rooms. I feel like a fucking freak recording, but I'll see you out there soon. I think this phone is waterproof. I really don't know.
What was I say?
The boys, and it's 38 to 41 degrees. So nice.
Oh, yeah.
This is a nice last bit to the day. Nice and dark. Nice and chill.
Nice and scenic.
Scenic vibes. Coming at you from the... Oh, there's a wild Steve. Oh, and a wild Sam.
Toast you off before you go.
Right. It cost us €6 for 330ml can of cider. Should look. Should we honour Holliers? We honour Holliers.
Boys. Right, we're going to sleep. It's nearly 12. We're getting up at like 6:15 because you know that plane people take pictures of. We want to try to get there for sunrise to get some disgusting drone shots. So that's the plan. And that was day 2. Who knows what day 3 will bring? We out here. Gucci.